So this is your mean median mode dice game. So what you're going to do is click on the second slide and you're going to go ahead and click on this link and it's going to bring up a dice rolling link and I'll show you how to use it. What you're going to do is click on that blue box, which is a dice because we want to get rid of it. We want some bigger numbers, so I'm going to click on the orange dice 3 times. And I'm going to roll my dice 5 different times. So my first time is 36. I'm going to roll it again to get 17. And again to get 19. 37. And my last dice roll is 24. So now I need to go back to my slides. And I'm going to enter my numbers into my box. So my first number was 36. Then I had 17, and then 19, 37, and 24. Now I need to go to my next slide. I'm finding the mean, so I'm going to add up all of my numbers. So I just need to type them in again. So I had 36, 17, 19, 37, and 24. I'm going to add those all up and then I'll write what my sum is right here. Then I'm going to continue down to slide number 5 and I'm going to write what my sum was. I'm going to write down the number, or type in, I should say, the number of times I rolled the dice, and that is going to give me my mean. So now I need to find my median, so I click on the next one. So I'm going to use my numbers on what they were, which again it was 36, 17, 19, 37, and 24. 37 and 24. And I'm going to write it in order from least to greatest. So I could even drag these down to here if I wanted to and just get rid of these click to add boxes. Or you could trade them, either or, however you want to do it. And then I go to the next one and I'm going to retype my information and tell me what the middle number is. And then finding the mode, type your numbers out and look in and see if you have any numbers that repeated. If you did, that is your mode. If you didn't, then you would write no mode. And then your last one asks you to answer some questions. And first you need to tell me what is an outlier. If you don't remember what an outlier is, you need to go back into, I believe it is 12.7 and look at that information. And then you need to tell me, did you have an outlier? Well, in my case, I don't think I did. Those numbers are pretty close to each other. And now if this would have been 39 and this would have been 17, I think 17 would have been an outlier. It would have been a lot lower than my other numbers. So I would say no. And then, if you didn't, what number could you have rolled to be an outlier? And so I could say what number could be my outlier. And that's all you have to do. Submit it when you are finished.